life like we're homeless. Need flip-flops just to take a piss. I've been drinking moonshine for 3 damn days. Well, y'all, this week's, oh, hold on. Oh. Okay. This week's adventure, we rode up here to Jadwin, Missouri, riding in the Ozarks, had a camp out, the Ozark Campout, last weekend in June, second to last weekend in June, I don't remember. Anyway, had a good time. Low-key event, everybody had a good time. Had a pool. Shower houses. Shower house pretty nice. Laundry facilities, 4 showers, 2 toilets. Dig it. Cabanas, cabins. Now this thing's cool as hell. Got air conditioning. Got like a 3-panel door on it to keep all the cool air in and the bugs out. And I guess if you come up here when it's cold, they can put a wood stove in there. I think it's like $170 for the weekend. Don't quote me on that, that's what I heard. But that thing's awesome. They got bunk houses, that thing. A stage and some more bunk houses back here in the back. Got some yurts. Big Rock Candy Mountain. If y'all are nearby, stop by. It's always good to get together with friends and just kind of just hang out. Of course, we went for a ride, you know. We went to Licking and we went to Uranus. Thanks, Schmidt Law. So we went for a ride today. Babe, where are we at? Licking, Missouri.
Is that where we're at?
We're at Licking, but we got a problem. Yeah, that's broke. We're gonna see what we can do to fix it. Be right back with you. Field repairs are rarely pretty, and pretty repairs are rarely field repairs, so keep your comments to yourself. I think what we're going to do is put some exhaust tape on it and then clamp the bejesus out of it and, you know, hope for the best. So, getting refreshments at a place called Crow Creek Bar north of Licking, Missouri. Everybody taking a break from the heat. Having some Coke and waters. That's all, Coke and waters. Root beers. Some root beers. We were in Licking and now we're
In Uranus. It's the fudge factory.
It's fudge.
It's fudge time.
I mean, since we're in Uranus, we might as well have some fudge, right?
Yes. Fudge from Uranus. What do you think? We can get a half and split it with Lynn?
We did that. Next year, I think there's a town called Dickens, Missouri. Maybe we should ride from Dickens, Missouri to Uranus, Missouri. It's joking there somewhere. I just can't find it. But we're all packed up. About to start the long road home. Not too bad, it's like 5 hours. I don't know what else to say. Man, y'all gotta get out there and do stuff. Meet some new people, hang out with old people. Find some old busted dirt road to throw your tent on. And for the love of God, don't listen to your GPS. Woo. Y'all take care of one another. Damn it, I did it every time, I mess it up. Y'all be safe out there. Y'all be, hush with your mouth. Hush with your mouth. I got 5-6%. Let me close the video, okay? Jeez, people. Hurry up. Y'all be safe out there. Take care of one another, because won't nobody else.